hopefully what we're going through today makes you think about the different issues that we touch on. That you know, economics is not just about money; it's about the changes in industry, the new jobs that are happening. That we have to work, whatever area we go on, whatever we do with work or different activities, we have to work with other people. We have to work together. We have to communicate. We have to do teamwork. We have to solve problems. We have to show leadership, and we have to be responsible for our actions. Um, and we need to watch the trends and be optimistic, because everybody talks about artificial intelligence being not a great thing, but maybe we need to think at it differently. How do we use artificial intelligence and robots to free us, to give us more time, not to be on our phones, but actually to have human contact, to improve the amount of human contact that we have and the experiences that we have together.